It's Layla, and this is Erika L.
Hey!
We are on Cute KR's channel because we're going to talk about how much we love K Pantyhose. And also just to give Erika L a little bit more exposure.
Yeah, thanks. I'm new. I'm new to the community, so yeah, I'm really excited to be here.
That's it. First, we can talk about our outfits. I'm wearing really cute overalls, and it's a dress that has pockets. The skirt, it buttons up because I can't get over my hips otherwise, with a nice little white shirt and some beige pantyhose and these chunky sandals. I love them.
Love it. Yeah, we're giving Barbie today, like Barbie and Stacy or something like that.
Yeah.
Wasn't planned. Sometimes we unintentionally wear the same vibe of clothing.
Often.
Yeah, I'm wearing a pink little mini dress. It's from Urban Outfitters, I think. And some K Pantyhose, and they're actually like a light pink. They look kind of like whitish, but yeah, I guess just with my skin tone, just is like
It's just like
pale pink kind of.
And do you like the look?
I do. It's kind of giving like a ballerina vibe.
Yeah, very, very, very nice.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
they're great. They look good.
Yeah, and then these white patent slingback pumps.
It is very Barbie.
Yeah.
Hi, Barbie.
It just happened.
Yeah.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie. All right. So we are going to talk about these pantyhose or K pantyhose in general, but I'm going to put these on with my outfit too, and just to kind of, I'm going to layer. Everybody loves a layer.
That'll be a fun vibe.
Yeah. Add some color to it for sure. So K Pantyhose is an amazing pantyhose brand. They're affordable. They come in all sorts of different colors. As you see here, there, everywhere. They're comfortable. They're like durable,
Yeah.
long wear.
Yeah. Versatile, I guess.
Yeah, that's the word for sure.
Yeah. They feel like they didn't feel like they were going to rip when I put them on sometimes. So it does feel like good quality.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're great. And they have so many different colors and patterns and denier. So honestly, you should check them out, especially if you wear pantyhose a lot. They've got everything for everything. I've even wore some K Pantyhose to like festival and other events because there's just like some really good stuff. It's more than every day. So I'm going to put on these K Pantyhose and add it to the blue acid wash. Would you call this like a jumpsuit or jump skirt or a jupe? I don't know. What would you call this? Just like overalls still?
Well, I think like a jumpsuit is when there's legs still.
Oh, okay.
So I think like if it had legs, because it's a skirt, I don't think it's a jumpsuit, but I don't know for sure.
Yeah, I have no idea. For some reason, the word jupe is like coming in, but I know that that's wrong.
Like jean something.
Yeah, I don't like a jump. Oop.
Okay, I don't know.
I don't know.
I would call it like an overall dress.
I would call it. Well, yeah, I guess it's a dress. I was gonna call it a skirt.
I know.
But it is definitely like an overall dress. The pockets are the vibe.
Oh, yeah.
More dresses need pockets, in my opinion, honestly.
Women's clothing in general, we don't get pockets all the time.
Not
it's
adequate.
Like, oh, women don't need pockets.
Like, we have the most shit.
We don't all want a purse all the time.
No. Purses are whack because I have so much stuff inside of them.
Yeah.
And I can't find what I need. Maybe I just need to put my phone in my pocket.
Keep it simple.
Yeah, that's it. My God. Okay, so these purple K Pantyhose 20 Den in lilac. Find them, buy them, wear them. I think it adds a really cute pop of color.
Yeah.
They've got a nice reinforced toe. honestly,
Looks like fun.
yeah, it's fun. And then you put on these
Now,
chunky sandals.
yeah,
Now I'm like extra Barbie.
you're like, or you could be like going to teach an art class,
Oh,
or
yeah.
going to work with some kids.
Or
You look
like-
like a fun gal.
I look like kind of like a kindergarten teacher.
Yeah.
Let's go to my art class.
Hot one.
Thank you. Okay, I think that's it.
Yeah.
Unless you got any final words.
Fun words?
Final.
Oh. No, it's just been really fun so far, and yeah, thanks for welcoming me.
We are so happy to have you.
Thanks.
And everyone's gonna love you.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Shout out to Cute KR and for starting me on this journey and now welcoming Erika L into the situation. Get yourself some K Pantyhose.
Yeah, definitely recommend. We love them.
We love them. So have a good day. Mwah.